Here's one more. Sure, I'm happy to meet up. Tell me when you're free. You're chasing someone for a meeting. Raise your hands. What's the optimal way? Yes?
Yes, I would be happy to meet with you. I'm free on date X, date Y, and date Z. Which would work best for you?
Very good. So you give options. If you make the buttons ready to push, they will push one of the buttons. What's wrong with this? Tell me when you're free sounds like, are you free or are you not free? So it makes the person believe that I can get back to you, but I will fade away slowly. Ganyan ang Pinoy. O, balikan kita next week. Tapos pag nag-follow up ka, ay sorry, busy eh. Next week na lang ulit. Hanggang sa di na nag-reply at nawala na si customer. Right? So, sure, I'm happy to meet up. My available dates are X and I'm usually free 3 p.m. onwards. Let me know if any of these suit you. What does this also imply? If I was the one receiving that sentence, seryoso to. He means business. She really wants to get this done. Okay? So that's the imperative portion of our statement.